Hey beautiful people, we are back at another property. This property is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and they're actually offering incentive. So they are offering $7,500 if you guys are getting something built, but if it's something that's already ready right now, then they're offering you guys $10,000. So look how open it is. I love this. They also have their appliances included. We are deeper into Haines City. I know a lot of the other properties I was showing you, we kind of just got into Haines City, but this one is like more deeper into Haines City. But I love it. I love it. I love it. So the appliances will be included. These right here is upgrades. Basically, you will have a regular stainless steel stove that you'll push in, and then also that will be your fridge over there. The microwave, that will be yours too. But it's still beautiful. Let's see what the pantry is looking like. Okay, they're doing a lot of storage in here, which is normal when you look into new construction. You guys have a lot of cabinet space. You have some here also, and then some here also. If you guys love this property or any of the other properties I have, make sure you guys call me. My phone number is 407-374-2747. I can definitely help you guys with the process and find something that you guys would truly love. I love that their lanai right here is actually screened in, which is good, and it's covered. You guys been seeing a lot of outside areas that have not been screened in and covered, so I like that they have their screened in and covered. It is an upgrade to be able to get it screened in like that, but you still have that option. So let's go ahead and check out the bedrooms. So this right here is the primary bedroom. Let's skip that. We're going to come back to that. Here's one of the full baths that they have. So this is one of the full bathrooms. Then right over here, you have your laundry room. Now, you guys also have your washer and dryer will be included, but you guys will only get the washer and dryer that actually have the lid on top. So the front loading washer and dryer, this is an upgrade, so you have to pay additional for that. But you guys will get the one that you guys will have to live at the top. But you can get this as an upgrade too, so keep that in mind. Here is one of the bedrooms. So this one is actually one floor. So this is not a 2-story, it's a 1-story. And then here is the closet. Let me see if I can back up some so you all can see like the closet space. So just think about the 2 doors. A lot of people probably already had that or already seen what that looks like. So think of that. Okay, we have another bedroom here. Perfect, another bedroom. And then too, they have the same closet. Now they have carpet, look like they're gonna have carpet throughout all of the bedrooms. So we already seen 2. We're gonna go ahead and look at that primary. This right here will be where you put all your linens. Right next to your bathroom. Let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom and bathroom, and then I'll show you, I guess, something that could be your guest room too. So this is the primary bedroom. So beautiful. Look at all of this space, y'all. All of this cabinet space. Isn't it so nice? So this is so nice. I love all of the space. And then here is your beautiful shower. And look how many shower heads you have. 1, 2, 3 shower heads. That is really nice. And this actually has a door. I showed you guys a few properties where it's not a door here for the toilet, so that is really nice that it is closed in. And then this right here will be your closet. Now don't forget, you guys can get your home built with them. It's going to take them about 7 months to actually build your home, but you can get your home built. So you can get a bigger closet, or you can say, hey, I don't want this type of hardware, I don't want these type of cabinets, can you give me this, can you give me that? You can switch it up. Hi, you can switch it up and get what you want. So I definitely love this. It's a lot of space in here, a lot of space, especially for women. You know how many things you could put in here and separate it and organize it. I just love that. And then your husband can have his stuff over there, you can have your stuff over here, which is nice, or vice versa, your wife and you. Whatever it is, y'all can do whatever y'all want. This be your house. And look at the tray ceiling. I love that. And the recessed license doesn't lighting too. That is really nice. I wonder too if ceiling fans going to come with it. Sometimes that is a upgrade, but this is really nice. Let's go ahead and check out that other bedroom they have here too. Look at all of the space. A garbage disposal, which is really nice. Front door. Now it is a 3-car garage. This is their personal area, so they're doing closings here, but this will be your garage. So this will be one space and then also 2 cars over there. But this is where they actually do their closings, and usually with new construction, they use their garage as the office. So when you guys come in, say you want to buy, they have a space for you. Here is their additional bathroom. So it's 3 full baths, and this is the last one that we did not see. And then they have their design studio in-house, so that's why you see all of these different things. This is when you want to build and you can say, hey, you know, I want to have this, or I want these type of, I want this color cabinets. You know, there's so much you can pick from the flooring. You know, you can pick all these different things. What type of carpet you want, what color do you want, also what type of tiling do you want. So this is nice for like your bathroom, your backsplash. This is really nice. But this is actually a bedroom. They have the same type of cabinet doors, not cabinet but closet doors that we've seen in other rooms, except for the master. But this is their closet doors, all the same in the house. But this is that last bedroom we did not see, you guys. So if you want to build, you have that option. It's probably gonna take like 7 to 9 months. Definitely call at the time that you see this video to see how long it's going to take, because it can change, you guys. It's not always